Hi everybody. So these are utility knives that I picked up at Harbor Freight on a coupon for $1. So let's take a look at the outside of the packaging real quick. And let's open it up and see what it looks like. Of course, I have to use a blade to open the blade. I'm going to use a carpet knife. Huh, look at that. Brand new and it's rusty. Huh, that stinks. Well, what are you going to do? Oh, that's cool. So it actually has a little press down spring here that you need to use. Otherwise it kind of locks the blade in these teeth. What does it say on it? Gordon. Yeah, that's nice. I mean, it's basically just a utility blade. Has some rubber here on the side. Gives it sort of a comfortable grip. Got some plastic here on the end, which I imagine this opens, but it's not opening right now, so I don't want to force it and end up breaking it. Maybe that's just there as an end cap. But yeah, looks pretty good. Let's see how it cuts. Whew, boy, that's a lot sharper than this old dull carpet knife. Let's try that again. Oh yeah, that's really sharp. Looks like it's sticking out too far. Yeah, that's not too bad. That seems to be cutting pretty good. So, nice. And you know what? Not too bad for $1. Let's try cutting plastic. Oh yeah, just as easy. Well, now I know what I'll be using to open this one. I don't need to use that old carpet knife. I can just use my new Gordon blade from Harbor Freight. So, pretty cool. Well, there you have it. Unboxing a Gordon utility knife blade that I got at Harbor Freight for $1. Pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe.